Bumbleclot.
Hello viewers and subscribers, you know it's Romain Entertainment here. So today we're going to talk about a video that been going viral of a man was in the back of a van, was holding on to some board supplies, and he almost, I don't know, probably sprained his ankles, probably did a broken bones or something like that. But so sit back, relax, and take a quick look at the video. So viewers and subscribers, as you can see, the van was coming down the road and the man was holding the board supplies, and the board supplies dropped on him. You know what I'm saying? The board supplies fell on him. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know, I would have just jumped out and let it go or something. Yeah, so I would have just let it go. Or even though some people, their reaction time is very slow, maybe he wasn't expecting that, but damn, I feel sorry for him, like for real. But I can tell you right now, he's in pain right now, or was in pain at the moment. Yeah guys, so let me know what you think in the video, you know what I'm saying? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, comment below, leave a like, and also share. So thank you for watching guys.